Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36 reference 116000. It has a purple or grape dial, oyster bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial, bezel, case, bracelet, clasp, try it on, and give you my thoughts. Let's dive right in. It has a 36mm case. That means from my thumb to my index finger. Now, it's the second largest Oyster Perpetual. Rolex also makes a 39mm. This is a 36, so it can be one for a man or a woman, for a woman who likes a large watch. It's made of oyster steel. That means a case, in other words, a nice word for stainless steel. It's a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown. Monoblock means that this case is made of one piece of steel forged and created to be very strong. That's why it's a monoblock and not several pieces put together. It has a diameter of 36mm, as I stated before. Now let's talk about the bezel. The bezel here is a domed bezel. It kind of has an angle to it, and it's also made of steel. It has a screw-down twin double waterproofness winding crown. If you wind it like this, you simply wind it. That allows you to change time once you pull it out. You move the dial, move the time, move the hands, and simply screw it back in to make sure that it's watertight. It has a scratch-resistant crystal and a waterproofness of up to 100 meters. Probably 100 meters more than you will ever go in the water with this thing. Now let's talk about the movement. The movement is a perpetual mechanical movement self-winding, which means you don't need to wind it. It's a caliber 3130 with a precision of ±2 seconds a day and a magnetic blue parachrome hairspring, and it has a power reserve of 48 hours. What all that means is basically it's a really good movement. You're not going to have any problems with it. Now let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet is a flat 3-piece oyster bracelet, and it has a folding oyster clasp. Now how does that work? It simply closes like that, as opposed to a safety clasp which has another clasp part that folds over this. This doesn't have that because this is a dress watch. Now I saved the best part for last. You're probably looking at this watch thinking, wow, that's a unique dial, and you would be right. I'm trying to show it to you in different lights. It's actually purple. Purple, that's right. How many watches have you seen with a purple dial? I don't think Rolex makes any other one, but they do make it in 36mm purple dial. They actually call it Red Grape. I think for most of us, we would probably call it purple. And to me, it looks really awesome. It actually looks kind of dark, as in black, you know, so it could still go with dark clothing, but it has a sort of interesting color, and it's actually pretty rare, not so easy to find. But at jazztime.com, if you click on the link in the description below, you can actually buy this watch, which by the way, is the reason why we make these videos. Yes, we're not making it for fun. I'm sitting here on a Sunday afternoon making this video so customers like yourself can buy it. And here's what it looks like at night. It luminesces very well, so if you care about looking at your watch at night, well, that's what it would look like. Okay, so anyhow, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, subscribe. Better yet, if you like this watch, press the buy now button and you can own it. Simply go to jazztime.com. Here's what it looks like on my wrist. I have an average man's wrist, and that's what it looks like. So if you'd like to buy this watch, please head over to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.